Hello everyone, this is lecture number 10, filtering of data. So basically we have two methods to filter our data. First is the shortcut method. We just need to press Ctrl, Shift and L from our keyboard to apply filters to every column that we have in our file. So for that, let's do that on the Excel. So here we have a file. So you do not need to select the whole data which you want to filter. You just need to put your cursor inside the data. And then you have to press Ctrl, Shift and L. So now you can see that all the filters are being applied on every column. And to clear the filters or to unfilter it, you again have to press Ctrl, Shift and L. So for now, the filters are being removed. So this was the shortcut method, and the long cut method is that you have to go to the data and then you have to press this filter. So you can see that filters are being applied on every of the column, and to remove that you have to again press this filter. And if you want to apply the filter on one particular column, then you have to select that column and then you have to press filter. So for now, you can see that the filter has been applied on only one of the column. And to remove that, you have to again press that filter. So now the filter has been removed. So, so basically, now we will see how we can apply filter to the dates, to the alphabets, and to the numbers. So for the date, let's suppose we are applying the filter to this column. So now we can see that the filter has been applied. Now we can let's see the option that this filter is giving us. So they are saying that they can sort the data from oldest to the newest, means from the old date to the new date. It can sort the data from new date to the old date. It can sort the data by their colors. And you can see that there are much more options here, which are showing the date, the month, the year. So for now, all are selected. So that's why we can see all of the data. So if we want to see the data of July only, then we have to untick others months. So for now, I'm just selecting this July, and we are removing the filter from all the other months. And now we have to press OK. So yes, so you can see that all the dates with the July are been shown here, and the data of August has been removed. Now you have to, if you want to clear the filter, then you need to go here again. And so now you have the two options, clear filter from column B, or you can clear it from here. This option you can see on the screen. So we are clearing the filter from this B column. So in this way you can filter the dates from oldest to the newest. You can select any of the month, you can select any of the specific year, you can select any date you want on your file. You can select any range of the date you want on your file. And for the alphabets, let's apply the filter here. So it is giving us the option that it can sort the data from A to Z. For the date, it was from oldest to newest. Now it is from A to Z and Z to A. It can sort it by the color, or you can see the other options also. So if we want to just see the data of Ben, then we have to untick the others. So by applying OK, you can see that now the data of Ben is only shown here, and you can see that after 5 we are having here 7 and 6 has been hidden. So it's mean that we are hiding the data of the other participants or the other persons here. So if you want to clear the filter from this column, you need to again go to this option and you have to select clear filter from column C. So now it is again on the neutral position. So same is the case with the numbers. Now if you want to apply the filter on this column, just select it and go to the filter. Now let's see what are the option it is giving us. So it says that it can sort from smallest to the largest value. It can sort from largest to the smallest value. It can sort it by colors, or you can see other options also. And one advantage is that there are much more options shown here. For example, number filters. So if you can say that I want to see the data greater than, so let's do that. If we want to see the data greater than 500, and after pressing OK, so basically there is no data greater than $500. So all the columns are hidden, all the rows are hidden here. So let's clear the filter, and you want to have the data greater than this value. So now let's apply the filter greater than. So it's still processing. You can see the line here, it is still processing. I think this is a long file, so that's why it is not showing it right now. So basically this is just a purpose to tell you, so you can filter your data like that. For now I'm just clearing the filter. You can do it, you can practice it, and you can see the results. Okay, so this is the way you can apply the filters to your data, and it will help you sorting your data. And now let's see the steps that we have done in this whole long method. Yeah, so first of all, we have select the range of cell that contains the data you want to filter. Then we go to the data tab in the Excel ribbon and click on the filter button. Once the filter is applied, you will see a drop down arrow in the header row of each column. Then you need to click on the arrow in the column you want to filter. Then you select the filter option that you want to use. You may need to enter a value or a range of value depending on the filter option you choose. Once you have set your filter criteria, then you need to press OK to apply the filter. You can also apply multiple filters to the same data by selecting additional filter option from the other column. To remove a filter, click on the Clear Filter button in the Data tab, or simply click on the filter arrow in the column header and choose Clear Filter from the name of that column. So these are the steps you need to follow for the long method, but it's better to use the shortest method because it is just to press 3 keys. So yeah, this is all for this video. Thank you.
If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe now for expert tips, tutorials, and tricks to master Excel like a pro. Don't miss out. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe today. And hit the notification bell to be the first one to know when we release a new video. That is the only way you can support our community. May God bless you.